Hello to all traders, my name is Stavros Tousios, market specialist for FXPRIMUS. Today is the official start of the third quarter of this year and we could expect investors to rebalance their portfolio, which means sizable trades may be seen. Last week wasn't as active as anticipated due to the World Cup and a rather quiet global economic calendar, but this coming week certainly holds more for us in terms of opportunities. Monday, 2nd of July, worldwide PMIs to kick off eco-heavy week during Canadian bank holiday. Markets are going to be relatively busy with PMI reports coming out consecutively from Europe, UK and US. The daily highlights are UK's manufacturing PMI at 8:30 AM GMT and the US ISM Manufacturing PMI report released at 2 PM GMT. Canadian banks will be closed in observance of Canada Day. Tuesday, 3rd of July, RBA to announce latest interest rate decision. UK delivers another PMI report. A less eco-friendly session, but the impact on respective currencies is going to be greater as RBA will deliver its latest policy decision and UK its latest construction PMI figures. Although RBA is expected to hold rates unchanged, investors believe comments are likely to be dovish. Wednesday, 4th of July, Aussie and UK data take on stage for another session, European PMIs due on. Retail sales and trade balance are likely to move the Australian dollar in the Asian session. Trade volume will also depend on Tuesday's rate decision. On other events, Eurozone PMIs are due for another day, but their impact on the markets won't be as strong as the UK services PMI at 8:30 AM GMT. US banks will be closed in observance of Independence Day. Thursday, 5th of July, FOMC on the spotlight ahead of NFP, ADP and ISM make the US dollar more interesting. A volatile session started with Carney's speech in Newcastle at 10 AM GMT. Afternoon at 12:15 PM GMT, ADP will release its own monthly jobs numbers and 15 minutes later the jobless claims will be released by the Department of Labor, with ISM non-manufacturing PMIs and EIA weekly stocks reports at 2 and 3 PM GMT respectively. Some dollar profit taking may be seen just hours before the widely anticipated FOMC. Friday, 6th of July, Canadian and US employment data expected to be solid on Friday. The eco events during the last day of the week suggest that markets will be highly volatile. Despite a number of moderate impact releases are due, all eyes will focus on the US jobs report as BLS expect both hourly earnings and unemployment rate to remain unchanged, while they anticipate that the headline number will remain solid at 200,000 jobs. Thank you for watching.